How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another episode of HTML and CSS. What we are about to do is I'm doing one divide and another divide because we're going to do the divide tablet. So we're going to turn this off and then we're going to go back to my Visual Studio Code. Now right here, if you see a Visual Studio Code, I'm actually going to be going back a little bit. Actually, Control Z, right? And then what I'm going to do is do a divide. I'm going to add these back because what I'm going to do now, I just deleted that, as you can see, just to save time. We put div tags, and I put the class in there, and then I put another class within the div time. So buddy and enemy, we have the same buddy and enemy that we did at the same time. And you can use any words you want. I just do it because why not? And then I surrounded it with the closing div tag with another divide and one divide. I added a color, a background color, and a text align to it. But what I'm actually going to do is I'm actually going to get rid of the text align real quick, just so you guys can see something. So we're doing this all in reverse. So thank you guys for your patience. Run. What we got to do is this. Run it in HTML, start debugging. See, we got one divide and another divide and two different things. That's how you add some background to it. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back. I'm going to exit out of this just to show you some more things because there's stuff like text align. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back and I'm going to run start debugging. One divide, another divide. You could really do a bunch of other things. And then what I want to do is I'm going to look for this one. I'm going to float to the left just for you. All right. See, so it floats to the left, and then I can get another one right here. And then I could do this one and actually go back. I'm using this one, that one. I'm going to float to the center. And float's actually a really good word to use. So whenever you want to take something and then put it to the left or put it to the right, you have it center. So yes, as you can see, we have the background colors, the text align center, and then the text align right. Then right over here we got float in the center and then float in the left. And then we're going to run this one more time just to show you what we're all about over here. And it really didn't do much because there's not three. But if I added, let's say I added another one. I'm going to call this class neutral. And then one more divide. There we go. And I'm going to go back to CSS and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to make this a float to the right. So dot neutral color. Let's say it's going to be not crimson. I'll do green or some sort of green. I'm not going to try and pronounce that. Background color. I'm going to do blue. Text align is going to be let's go for the left, right? Just to see how this turns out. And then float, just going to go to the left. There you go. Start debugging. There we go. It's not quite what we had in mind. The only thing is I think I'm gonna have to take away something else, and it's a lot of mix and match. What I gotta do is I gotta take this text right here. And this is what it is. It's all just problem solving. We're actually gonna take it to the center and see if it fares better, because this is some real-time stuff. And I'm actually adding more than I intended in this video, so I'm trying to reach above and beyond. It's better, you know. You can tell that the text is aligned, and then we have another one that's floated to the left. But again, it's a lot of problem solving, and I'm going to definitely use this one to demonstrate what to do with pixel sizes and everything. Just a lot of style to add to this website, because in CSS there's so much to go over that like you probably are going to need a notepad if you're going to be a web developer, and there's nothing wrong with that. I've certainly been doing it, but thank you guys very much for allowing me to teach this too. I know you guys have a lot of options when it comes to YouTube channels to learn these, so thank you for coming to one that's starting out. Have a great day.